Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. With the evolving crypto landscape, it's more important than ever to stay updated on these processes to avoid any hiccups. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Exmo. Start by logging into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Accounts tab. Here, find your Bitcoin wallet. It's usually listed under your crypto holdings. Next, click on the Bitcoin wallet to open it up. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, double-check that you have enough Bitcoin in your account to cover the transfer, including any network fees. Now, enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Head over to your Exmo account, go to the deposit section for Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address provided. Paste it carefully into the Coinbase send field to avoid any errors. After that, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on the estimated costs displayed. Once everything looks good, review the details one last time. This includes the address, amount, and fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for added security. Sit tight while the transaction processes. In 2025, Bitcoin transactions on the blockchain might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's complete, check your Exmo account to confirm the deposit. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets or enable 2FA on both platforms to protect your assets from potential risks. And there you have it. That's how you send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. This process is simple once you get the hang of it, but always stay vigilant with your crypto. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.